Hi all, Re-NEET X-ray Chemistry Chapter Wise Analysis in the amines questions are discussed. First question identify the reaction which give aniline as major product. Aniline major product reaction. First one benzonitrile. Benzonitrile lithium aluminium hydride use the reaction. Lithium aluminium hydride is a reducing agent, strong reducing agent. So CN group reduce CH2NH2 product. Yes. Aniline is product. Yes, that is Hofmann's bromide degradation reaction. So, CO group aniline. Yes, this B is aniline product. Nitrobenzene on reaction with sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride reducing agent but weak reducing agent. NO2 group in NH2 power sodium borohydride. So, we have aniline major product. Yes, this is an acid hydrolysis. Amide amide on treatment with HCl H2O followed by heating. So acid hydrolysis is nitrogen carbon bond break aniline product. Aniline major product. Yes. So B D aniline product. Option 2 is answer. Another question. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, oxidation of para-nitrotoluene with acidic KMnO4 gives an acid that is stronger than benzoic acid. Okay. Acidic KMnO4 use para-nitrotoluene acidify yes, para-nitrotoluene. Yes, para-nitrotoluene on acidification using KMnO4, acidic KMnO4. Okay. Acidic KMnO4 use CH3 group and COH group and then NO2. Okay, that is para-nitrobenzoic acid product. Acid stronger than benzoic acid. Benzoic acid benzoic acid and para-nitrobenzoic acid NO2 group para position. NO2 group electron withdrawing group. So electron withdrawing group acidity increase. So this is more acidic. Para-nitrobenzoic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid. So statement 1 correct. Statement 2, reduction of para-nitrotoluene with tin and HCl followed by neutralization gives an amine that is more basic than aniline. Okay, reaction para-nitrotoluene on reaction with tin and HCl followed by neutralization. Neutralization yes. NO2 group in a reduction NH2 group NO2 group reduce NH2 group yes. Para-toluene is the product. Para-toluene that amine is more basic than aniline. Okay, aniline is more basic. Yes, para-toluene is more basic than aniline. Correct? CH3 group para position CH3 group para position and CH3 group is an electron donating group. Electron donating group is CH3 group. Electron donating group basicity increasing. So para-toluene is more basic than aniline. Our statement is correct. Yes. So statement 1 and 2 are correct. Option 1 is correct answer. This question amines and carboxylic acid mix question. Question. One of the products formed in the following reaction. Cyclohexyl magnesium bromide on reaction with cyclohexyl amine. So, this is haloalkenes and amines mix. Grignard reagent haloalkenes part and amines portion mix question. Grignard reagent proton abstract proton abstract base act proton abstract reaction acid base reaction acid base reaction Grignard reagent bond carbon magnesium bond polarized partial negative charge and partial positive charge magnesium. So, this anion H plus pick amines or H plus pick acidic proton acidic proton pick cyclohexyl anion pick. Okay, pick the product cyclohexane corresponding hydrocarbon form Grignard reagent proton react acid base reaction corresponding hydrocarbon cyclohexane part സോ ലിഗ്നൈറ്റ് റിയേജന്റ് വാട്ടർ ആയിട്ടോ ആൽക്കഹോൾ ആയിട്ടോ അമീൻസ് ആയിട്ടോ റിയാക്ട് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നത് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആരായിരിക്കും? ഹൈഡ്രോ കാർബൺ ആയിരിക്കും. RMgX ഓൺ റിയാക്ഷൻ വിത്ത് ആൽക്കഹോൾസ്, വാട്ടർ ഓർ അമീൻസ്, പ്രൈമറി അമീൻസ് ഒക്കെ ആണെങ്കിൽ RH ആയിരിക്കും നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന പ്രോഡക്റ്റ്. സോ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ 1 ആയിരിക്കും വരുന്നത് അല്ലേ? യെസ്. അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ 3 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തു. താങ്ക് യു ഓൾ.